Come and make this delicious skin and gut healthy breakfast hash with me. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Dr. Ash and I love sharing healthy and beauty hacks. Start off by cutting your veggies. I use Brussels sprouts, sweet potatoes, and normal potatoes. Heat some oil on medium heat and add your ginger garlic paste. This will add some flavor and also anti-inflammatory effects. Next, add your onions and saute them till soft and brown. Onions have lots of fiber, which is amazing for your gut, and it has antioxidants that are great for your heart as well. Once the onions are looking soft and a little bit brown, add your chopped veggies. Brussels sprouts are great for your gut and liver because it has sulfur compounds, and sweet potatoes have lots of vitamins that will help your skin to glow. Cook these on medium heat until they start to soften, and then add your vinegar and coconut aminos. If you're not gluten-free, you can also use soy sauce instead of coconut aminos, but I just love the sweet flavor of coconut aminos. Cover the pan on low heat and let the veggies cook until they get golden, soft, and brown. At this point, I'm telling you the house will smell so good. The ginger and garlic will give off this beautiful aroma and will leave you hungry. I top this with sesame seeds. It's totally optional, but I love them because they're rich in calcium and they're really good for your bones. Once the veggies are cooked, you can add your protein of choice. I topped it off with some Thai peanut dressing that I made. Add some sauerkraut for some more skin and gut benefits. It's such a delicious breakfast that will leave you feeling your best. This is my first video, so I would love it if you would show some love and subscribe for some more beauty and healthy tips.